I'll tell you something. When I met my husband, he didn't eat much veggies. I'd even say he didn't eat them at all. He used to say he is not a rabbit. But now, he is eating well, giving kids a good example. This shopping were €54.18, and I am hoping it will last a week for us. But realistically, I know I will probably spend another €10 for a little top-up. Anyway, this is our budget for this week. But it's not like this shopping is the only food we have. I will be combining it with the stuff that I have in freezer, fridge, and in cupboards. I usually have some carbs, such as pasta or rice, in cupboard. The whole chicken will give us 3 dinners, including chicken soup. I already have a video how to create 3 dinners out of 1 whole chicken. Check it in description box below. One of the more expensive items were coconut oil, which was €7. But it will last a while for us.